Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and most people when they go camping take a barbecue, because that's great. Of course, sometimes your children will ask for a pizza. How would you cook that on a barbecue? Let's see. Now all you need to convert a barbecue into an oven is to have heat coming from above as well as below. So I've just put some coals on top of these cheap pie tins. Of course this is the same way that I made my lasagna in the British Army mess tins. All you need is to have heat above and below, and you've got an improvised oven. So by placing this on top of the spark arrestor, the heat from underneath shouldn't have been too intense to burn the base, and the coals on top should have cooked the top in. So let's have a look, shall we? That looks pretty good to me. And there you can see here underneath, that's nicely toasted but not burnt. What do you think to the pizza, Finn?
Very good.
Very good.
Yes, it is.
Is it cooked nicely?
Yes, it was. Perfect.
Awesome. Boom! So, thanks very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, please consider watching this one. And who knows, if you really liked it, subscribe to the channel here. Till next time, take care.